Hey everybody, it is giveaway time! Yay! And I don't know if maybe I made it a little too involved, but it's okay because I had 7 people sign up. And I am excited for these 7 people because I've had enough to break all the goodies up. So we'll have 3 digital kit winners, and we'll have 4 winners of the things that Cheryl sent us, Telefuse. And then I will put everybody back in to the you know, back into the bucket here, and then everybody will get a chance to win once it's done. I don't have it done yet, so you're gonna have to just keep watching, and then you'll know when it's done when I say, oh, we're finished, and we do a walkthrough. But it shouldn't be very much longer. And I will probably send it to you before you will see on videos that it's done, so I'm just kidding. Where am I going now? Okay, so I had, as people were filling out, I went ahead and did however many chances you got. So, the fact that there's only 7 of you signed up for it, and I have 7 prizes to give out, because thank you all very much. All 7 of you love me. No, I know it was a bit involved, but, you know, when you're getting something free that's really a nice gift, it's all right to ask to do a little bit of work for it. I'm sorry, it is. So anyway, okay, but you guys got to look at some really nice shops, and, you know, all of those shops, all of those people are on YouTube as well, and so, you know, you got introduced to some nice, really talented people. So anyway, no further ado. Now, what I'm going to do is I have split up, we've got the 3 digital kits, and then I have split up the things that Cheryl sent of her beautiful work. Now, this is all her beautiful work. So, one gift is going to be these 2 items, and I'm not going to open them up. I know I think I opened one just to give you an example during the actual giveaway announcement, but I want you to see them. They're all just beautiful. I want you to see them as we go, but I mean when you get them. So it's somewhat of a surprise. And with each one of these, I will probably add a little bit of something, you know, just a little special thank you from me. And so anyway, so let's go for this one. So this is going to be, and I guess I probably, post-it note. That way I can write who is getting it. Okay, so somebody will probably get pulled 2 or 3 times. I don't know, but you're only going to win one of the gifts, and then one chance for each person is going to go back in for winning the single signature journal. Shabby chic single signature. Say that 5 times really fast. Okay, first one I have is Christina's Creations. So Christina's Creations, thank you very much. Christina's Creations is winning this. And at the end, after I've pulled everybody, I will tell you what we're going to do with that. So there is that one. I just want to make sure I don't write on it. And I'm going to keep these right here. Now, we'll keep going. Let's see. Here is another wonderful one. This is a little journal It's a 2022 planner that Cheryl sent. Now, there's actually nothing done to it, but then you're also getting this lovely, I would call it a matchbook, little matchbook journal type thing. So you're going to get these, and you're going to get a little extra something from me. So let's see. Christina. No, you only get one, but you will go back. Okay, Mystical Misty. Mystical Misty wins this one. So where is my, okay. Mystical Misty. Woo! Congrats, girl, congrats. Okay, so there is that one. And I'm going to put each one of the names at least only once over here. Okay, so the next one is these two items right here from Cheryl again. Thank you so much, Cheryl. You just rock. And I was going to kind of do all of Cheryl's stuff in one and then the digitals, but since I only had 7 people sign up, I just figured why not give everybody a prize. Okay, who is this? Catherine Hawks. And she had such wonderful, nice things to say about Cheryl, so I think she will very much appreciate, as will you all, getting these yummies. And again, there will be some goodie in there from me as well. Okay, so there is Catherine's, and we're going to put your name over here. Good. Okay, and then on this one, which I absolutely love and was so tempted to keep it, I am going to wrap lace around this one. So you will get a nice bunch of added goodies on this one from me. So I do have, I've got Christina, Catherine, and Mystical Misty. So let's see who else we got here. Keely. Well, now, I know Keely, she's not going to be wild about having lace. She's just not. So, instead of wrapping lace around this one, Keely, I will do some other fun things for you, okay? We will do some other fun things for you. But you get this beautiful board. It is a nice board. It's for writing. And it's gorgeous to sit anywhere you want it to be, but then when you want to write something and you don't have something to write on, you can just grab this and write on it. And it is very sturdy. So, very nice. So, Keely, we will give you some goodies along with that one. And there you go for possibility of winning the other. Now, we have, okay. The first one that we're going to do is Kian from Wonders by Wink. Now, I know I had you guys go in and figure out, what your favorite kit was. But you will be able to go online with them, and I'll explain all this later, but you'll be able to go and pick whichever one you want. Even if it's the one, not the one, if you changed your mind or if they put something new on, you don't have to pick the one that you put on the thing, but we will communicate. So, okay, so here is, Gail Pollen. So you win Keon's Wonders by Wink. You win a kit from her. And I will get the two of you together. So not to worry on that. Let me find my little paper clips here. Okay. So I'm going to put you right up here by Keon. And then I will find another one. I'm looking for, well, I'll do that later. Because Gail needs to go over into this part here. Okay. Now, all of the other stuff was from Cheryl Telephus. And her Etsy store is opening soon. And I will be doing a shout out for her when her Etsy store opens. So you guys will all hear about that. Now, Victoria Designs. Now, this one is another really great gift for everybody. I'm sorry, you can't even see that. Victoria Designs. And let me just, it was Keon Shotwell of Wonders by Wink. Okay, that's the one that Gail just won. Now, the Victoria Designs is a fabulous, she's got lots and lots and lots of stuff, as do all of these gals. And Victoria Designs has probably the more pricey items, larger mega bundles and things like that, and you can pick any kit you want. A deluxe bundle, whatever. She said you can pick any kit you want. So just to get that, now as you guys can see, I'm not looking. You can see my hand and you can see my face, so I'm not looking. Let's see who this is. Christina's Creations. Sorry, you already won one. Oh, well, this one popped right out here. Let's do this one. Oh, Tanya Kashan. I hope I'm saying that right. So Tanya, you won the Victoria Designs digital kit. And again, we will get, I'll tell you all about what we need to do. All right, Junie Desiree of Willowbound Journals. Now, she sells her own journals, and she also makes things to sell on her Etsy shop, which you guys, saw when you went on the Etsy shop. And and then, of course, she makes digital kits. So you will get one of her digital kits. And so let's see who that is. All right. Oh, this one really got. Oh, no, that was Keely, which I've already got you in the other pile. Let's see. Catherine Hawks, you already got one. Mystical Misty already got one. All right, here we go, guys. Ellen Schwartz. All right, Ellen, you won the Junie Desiree from the Willowbound Journals, one of her digital kits. Yay! All right. So that takes care of the digital kits. Now I need to find another Tanya. Let's see. There's a Tanya. And who was the other one? Gail. I don't think I had a Gail in here. Okay. Gail. There we go. So I'm going to dump all of these. Whoops. Because you were the guys that went through all of the steps. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's this one? Uh-oh. I think I got... Okay, let me see here. There's Mystical. There's Keely. There's Christina's Creations. There's Tanya. There's Catherine. And Gail. Yeah. I didn't want to put 2 in there. Okay. Just squishing them up now. Don't want to see them. Just squishing them up. Okay. So now, I'm going to hold the paper in between. I can't see nothing. Okay. I'm not even looking into the video part. And I found one. Okay. Here we go. I'm so excited. Tanya! You won! Oh, and that was the first thing she said to me. I want to win this. Tanya, you won it. You won it. Not done yet, but you won it. Congratulations, everybody. These are such wonderful gifts. I want to give a special shout out to Junie Desiree of Willowbound Journals, Victoria Designs. Thank you so much. Keon Shotwell of Wonders by Wink. She is such a wonderful, lovely person, and she does great videos too. Junie does great videos, and Victoria Designs puts out a lot of videos too. And Cheryl Telefoss, she has her YouTube channel. You guys have all visited it, so keep going back to her and giving her some love and support. And then when we get her Etsy store opening notification, I will pass that along to everybody. But thank you to all of these designers who have given us wonderful gifts, and to all you guys that have won the beautiful things that Cheryl did for us. These will be coming in the mail. So now what I need you to do is please send me your I will have in the box below, the description box, my email address, which is paperlaceandbling@gmail.com. So you're going to email me, and then I will email you back with instructions. If you won the digital kits, you'll get instructions. When you email me, please give me your address, so where I can send these goodies to you, okay? Keely, I'm almost 100% sure I've got yours. And Tanya, I might possibly have yours, but just give them all to me so I make sure I have them right, and I can get them to you. I'm so excited for everybody. Thank you all so much. And Tanya, you won the signature journal. Woo-hoo! All right, guys, I appreciate you all so much. Love you all so much. Bye. Bye-bye.